So guys, this is another interesting Studio Ghibli movie out there, Ocean Waves. If you remember when I did my Nausicaa review, I mentioned there was one Studio Ghibli movie that was never dubbed, and this is the one I was talking about. For whatever reason, this was just never dubbed, and apparently this was but one of the last Ghibli movies brought outside of Japan, even though they came out in 1993. And so, in the end, I'm not gonna lie, I think this might be my least favorite Studio Ghibli movie out there. I don't think it's terrible, but I also don't really think it's good. If you remember the other thing I said in my Nausicaa review, I mentioned how I don't think the slow pace in the Ghibli movies work every single time, and this is the best example of that not working. I just really don't like this movie at all. The story's about a guy named Haku who's remembering his high school years and remembering a girl he knew there named Ryotaro and the different antics they got into. And the whole film is really just that, showing them in duo doing different things. It's actually like only yesterday where a lot of the movie is a flashback showing what happened in the past, and so you get to see how the two of them got to where they are and what really happened there. But unlike that movie that shows really interesting situations that help us relate to the characters and made them grow over time and feel real, this film just shows Haku and Ryotaro doing different things, like her borrowing money from him and having him help her when going on a trip, and they may be different than so boring. I mentioned before about how Ghibli movies usually do a great job at making super mundane things seem really interesting and likable, even when they're really slow. Here, it really doesn't work, and these things are just so boring, and the characters themselves are really boring and not very likable either. Ryotaro in particular really isn't that likable, with hitting and slapping Haku a lot, even after the things he does, and so there's never really a moment in this that made us like the character. And yeah, I know they do kind of try to explain it a little bit, but it still doesn't really work. I also just don't really remember anything about these guys, so it may get hard for me to like these guys on that level as well. I will admit, I do think the animation is done well here, something that I think Japanese animation does really well is water, and considering the film does have a lot of that they do a really good job at making it look amazing. But really, considering how I just don't care or like any of these characters, it's not really worth watching this movie for the animation. And at the end, when Haku says he loves Ryotaro, it really doesn't feel earned, and because the film doesn't make that feel real at all. Really, I just don't like following the two of them doing these things, like when Ryotaro goes to see her dad and the whole stuff in the hotel is just really dumb and boring. I just don't really care one bit about the two. So yeah, that was a really short review, but I really don't have that much to say about this other than I just really don't like this film, and it's definitely my least favorite Studio Ghibli movie. movie. So yeah, both of my overall thoughts on Ocean Wave. Maybe you're kind of curious to check this out and you want to see the other Ghibli movies as well with this one. I guess you can see it, but personally, I never really want to watch this movie ever again. And so, yeah, everyone, so that's my review for Ocean Wave. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, then please like this video. Please comment down below to tell me what you think. Please follow me on Twitter at Daniel Maloney, Hey and Disney, fan writing Kingdom Hearts and Disney, please every day. And if you know someone who might like my content and who might be interested in what I'm doing, then please help share my content in any way you can to help my channel grow. And please subscribe for more videos like this coming soon. I'll see you all next time. Take care.